Welcome back to InSift channel. Today we explore the biological architecture of behavior with insights from Dr. Robert Sapolsky. To understand behavior, a strategist must look beyond immediate choices and interrogate the mechanistic substratum that precedes them. Sapolsky's work bridges the hierarchies of old-world primates and the contradictory psychological landscapes of modern humans. By deconstructing biological signals, we move toward understanding ourselves as complex biological machines governed by neurochemistry. In high-performance environments, stress isn't just a binary variable. It's a spectrum from beneficial stimulation to toxic chronicity. Acute stress sharpens focus, but chronic stress, sustained over years, leads to cardiovascular and cognitive degradation. The curve of stimulation shows our capacity fails at extremes. We subjectively experience the optimal level as excitement. The amygdala is the gatekeeper. It determines whether physiological arousal is interpreted as a thrill or a paralyzing trauma. Mitigation starts with a sense of control. A rat that chooses to run benefits. One forced to run suffers severe pathology. Predictability is key. A warning 10 seconds before a stressor reduces impact, defining the safe periods in between. Biology requires a vent. Without healthy outlets for frustration, primates often engage in destructive displacement aggression. True social support buffers the nervous system. Mere acquaintance isn't enough. Depth of connection is a biological necessity. No molecule is as misunderstood as testosterone. It doesn't spontaneously cause aggression. It lowers the behavioral threshold. Think of it as a volume dial. It makes a system that is already turned on respond even louder to social stimuli. In hierarchies, supplemental testosterone often causes individuals to amplify learned social patterns, usually targeting those below them. The challenge hypothesis suggests testosterone rises when status is threatened, driving the behaviors needed to maintain that status. If a group grants status for generosity, testosterone can drive pro-social behavior. The hormone isn't the problem. Our values are. While dopamine drives anticipation, testosterone provides the energy and alertness required to execute our goals. Estrogen is a vital cognitive optimizer. It stimulates neurogenesis in the hippocampus and acts as a potent antioxidant. Historical studies created controversy around HRT, but recent analysis reveals a critical timing window for its neuroprotective benefits. Introducing the hormone after a long gap changes the receptor patterns, leading to pathological results instead of maintenance. Sapolsky argues we possess no free will. Every intention is a domino effect of sensory environment, plasticity, and evolution. There is no self independent of the brain's physical reality. We are the sum of inputs reaching back centuries. Even the sea slug demonstrates behavior change through conditioning. We simply perform this at a more sophisticated level. Learning about our mechanistic nature changes the machine. Information is a biological input that tilts the brain toward new responses. Humans can navigate multiple hierarchies. You might be low-ranking at work, but a leader in your community. This ability allows us to prioritize hierarchies where we find the most self-esteem, buffering us against the effects of low status. Acknowledging our mechanistic nature allows for a more humane society, focusing on science-based intervention rather than blame. Strategic stress management is a logistical challenge of providing control, predictability, and genuine social support. Motivation is a chemical synergy. We must foster environments where status is conferred for pro-social achievement. Cognitive longevity requires understanding timing windows and the complex ratios of our internal hormonal modulators. The pursuit of knowledge is a biological input that allows us to refine our machine and move toward a more sophisticated human condition. Thanks for watching InSift. If you found this valuable, hit that subscribe button to keep sifting through the noise with us. I'll see you back here soon for our next insight.